Nada! Oh my god, what am I doing? 4 euros. 4 euros. I don't know. Oh. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be decorating for Christmas and I'm gonna share with you some very easy ideas for decorating small spaces. We live in an apartment with my husband and I like creating centerpieces for decorations. Usually I'm not decorating a lot for Christmas because we are going to Cyprus to visit our families and spend with them the holidays. However, this year is different, so we decided to stay in Berlin. And for this reason, I want to decorate a little bit more the house. I knew that this year I wanted something like a theme for my decorations. And I started Googling and searching about the different themes. And I was blown away because there are so many different Christmas themes. So many. We have Winter Wonderland, which is white and silver. We also have Rustic, which is one of my favorites, but I couldn't find a lot of items for that theme. Beach themed, that I love if you live especially somewhere near a beach. Santa's Workshop or Elf inspired. Candy Cane or Candy Land. Both of them are super cute for Christmas. And if you don't want to choose that type of a theme for your Christmas decorations, you can choose the colors. So my theme is color based and I have chosen green, white and red. I think they are the classic Christmas colors. However, I bought some products with other colors as well because they were super cute. You're gonna see. Let me know in the comments if you have a theme for your Christmas decorations or if you have chosen the colors. I'm very curious to read your comments. Also, if you have decorated your house, tag me on Instagram so I can see your beautiful creations. My Instagram account is @Vasilikis Beauty Tips. You can also follow me there. I've already bought some decorations and I'm going to do a small haul as well. So first of all, I want to show you the products, the decorations that I already have because I want to use them in my centerpieces today and also the whole decoration. I have changed the location. By the way, we were in the kitchen back there and now we are again in the kitchen. And okay, so I have here some of the decorations. Oh, that was dusty. This is one of last year's decoration. Super cute. I think I have one more, so I need to also open a box that I have. Last year my parents came to Berlin and we had such an amazing time. Every year there are some very nice Christmas markets. This year of course they are cancelled. So let me show you this one. It was a gift from my mother and father and here it is. Oh my god, I forgot how pretty it is. We need to clean it. It needs some batteries. I'm not sure if I have. Okay, we're gonna check it out. I also have a reindeer plate. Super cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. A Santa Claus. He is super cute and adorable. I like that he is so fluffy. And the star from before. I need to clean it. I also have this box here, which doesn't have so many things inside. Oh, I have some mushrooms. These are for fall, not winter. And let me know in the comments if you would like to see a decoration video every season. Fall, winter, maybe Halloween, Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video like that. Oh my god, I forgot this snowman. It's super cute. A hedgehog. No, this is not for Christmas as well. Some very dusty Christmas ornaments. Oof, I need to clean these. LED candles, can we say that? I'm curious if they are working. Oh, they're not. Oh my god, I have glitter now everywhere. Now it's working, so you don't want me here. Okay. Okay, candle. I have some snowballs here. They are super cute and they can be in the centerpiece that I have in my mind. Oh my god, so cute. The rest of them are some very cute ornaments and also butterfly. We need to clean everything and start doing the centerpiece. I have a board on Pinterest with a lot of things that I wanted to recreate, but I mean, of course I didn't. The first one that I want to try to create is a cupcake stand. Also, we're going to decorate a star tray that I have. It is very nice. It sounds like Star Trek. It's not. Some other ideas is to take some clear vases and decorate them. I think I don't have a vase, or maybe I have, so we may do that as well. I found some beautiful pillowcases that I have washed. Now I have them on my sofa. I'm gonna show them to you in a while. I also needed some pillows. I have washed them as well. And I want to decorate the dining table, the TV set, my desk, and also this little table here. We are back to the dining table, and here I have all the products that I bought for this year's decorations. Specifically, the box that I have in front of me is the cupcake stand, and it was very difficult to find it. I haven't actually seen how it looks, so let's open it now. I'm very excited. I hope it is what I wanted. Oh, it's upside down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. We need to figure out how to make this. And oh my god, it's so cute. I like it. Oh, we need to clean it. Just a sec. And now it's time to clean everything. Don't laugh. We need to do it. It is full of dust. Oh, it's lightweight. I thought it was ceramic. I think it is wooden. Okay, whatever. Oh my god, what is this? This was very dirty. Ooh, the big one. Oops. Some bubbly paper is broken. Professional cleaning here. Let me know in the comments, do you have any plans for the holidays? I'm going to film a get ready with me video, and I'm gonna share with you what we are actually gonna do for Christmas, what I'm cooking. Okay, that was pretty disgusting as well. The big one now. And we also have the columns, and all of this was 20 euros by the store Nanunana. So I don't have any information how I'm going to assemble this. Yeah. Αγάπη, πώς νομίζεις ότι είναι? Do you think it's like this? Yeah. Yeah.
That looks okay.
So we're going to take one of these, and I think that I need to screw this on the big table, and after that also the base. Okay, that looks great. Let's take this now that I'm not sure. Oh my god, what am I doing? That looks very, very nice. I think I found it. Oh my god, we have a stand. It is still so dirty. Okay, I have dust everywhere. And then, I know, right? And then we're taking the final pieces. Oh my god, it's so cute! We've made it! Hooray! Let's clean the desk a little bit more. Clean area. Let's see now what I bought, because I don't remember. So I'm going to have this in the corner. And these are from a store called Teddy. So, oh my god, so much dust here. So this one here is a little tree. We need some batteries. No, I don't have. Or I think I have. Okay. And this was, my friend, just 4 euros. 4 euros. 4 euros. So if you ever come in Germany, definitely go to Teddy. They have amazing products for decorations, DIY projects. Found some. Yay! So freaking cute! Okay, so I'm not sure where we're gonna decorate this, so it goes in the corner. So these are like, I don't know, flowery things for Christmas. Oh my god, I forgot about this. It's so cute. So for this we also need some batteries. Nope, we need smaller. I don't have. The little flower thingy was 150 and this one here is 5 euros. I also got a stack here. Oh my god, I forgot this. This was 150 euros and now we are in the holiday spirit. We have a little reindeer. This is 1 euro. 1 euro as well. Super cute. I bought everything for the cake stand, but they do not fit. Okay, this one fits. Okay, that was it from Teddy. Oh my god, we have some lights. I also got one in grey. 150 euros for these dwarfs. A little Santa Claus dwarf. This was 2 euros. And it doesn't have a light, so why is this more expensive? Who knows? It is going to be amazing for the first tier of the cupcake stand. I'm losing it. It is getting late here. Woohoo! And with this one, you can change the numbers. This is a Christmas countdown reindeer. I don't know. Oh, holy moly! I'm not sure if I'm going to have this on the first tier. What do you think? Do you like it? Can you see what I'm doing? Oh my god, this is full on glitter. Bring the bucket. Back! Bring the bucket back! So let's go to the products that I bought from Galleria. And these are a little bit more expensive, but they had some sales, 20 or 30% off. So I'm gonna start with this one. Oh my god, the silver reindeer! Oh, it's so cute.
It's not.
Oh my god, what?
It's not!
What did you say? Come here. I'm gonna kick your ass with this reindeer. Ooh! It's a Happy Boston Lemon.
No idea.
Soldier?
Soldier.
No, it's not soldier. This one was 7 euros. For decorations from Galleria, it's a very good price. This one was 7 euros. This one is a snowman with a little baby here. So when I went to the store, I had some ideas what I wanted to get, but I didn't find exactly the same products. Another soldier. He was 7 euros as well. You might be thinking, why did you get 2 different colors? Why? I like him more, but I found him later and I already had this one in my cart, so I was like, I think it's not nice to put it back, so I didn't, and I bought it anyways. Oh, I remember, what is this? This is the little one. Okay, so this is adorable. I should have bought another one. This is a little white house. I have seen it a lot for this type of decoration. This one is from Nanunana. I just had it in the same paper bag with the things from Galleria. So I will continue with Galleria so I don't mix everything. And if you don't know, I have some hairs. They are flying everywhere. Oh, I have actually showed you these on Instagram and a lot of you said that I should buy them and I bought them. So this one is 4 euros and it is adorable. I'm gonna show you also the other 2 plates that I got. Also a heart. And I think this is, I don't remember. Oh, a tree. Oh, so these are from Nanunana. I should have bought more because it is adorable. This one is 2 euros, 1 euros 95 actually. 1 euros 95 each as well. This is so cute. I can fit it everywhere. This one is from Galleria. my god, it's huge. We have a beautiful house. It is full on glitter. My god. And this one is 14.99 €. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, it's shedding. It was a very bad idea to get this one. Είδες πόσα glitter ρίχνει αυτό. Μπορείς να καταλάβεις. I'm back with for the regular program. I also got some stuff from Nanu Nana and these stockings as well. These are going definitely to the TV set. I got some tissue papers here. Super Christmassy, adorable. Nada. Ooh, cute. This is €1.95. This is going to look fantastic. Can you see anything? No idea, but I didn't clean it. This is actually a hairpiece. It also has a light. How cute is that? One more dwarf here. This was €4.95. He fits, that's perfect. I also got some snowman lights. Oops. Cute. I'm also gonna clean all of the things in here. You remember how they were. Hi gorgeous, it is the next day and I have just finished a makeup tutorial. I have used all of these e.l.f. Cosmetics products. Some of them are from the e.l.f. Advent Calendar. I have done this holiday makeup look, so make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified for this video as well. About the decorations, I need to go and get some batteries, and also as you can see behind me I have the tree. I think it goes very well here, I like it. I'm gonna go get the batteries, and after that I'm very excited to show you what I have done. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite ornament of today's video. Mine is this little dwarf here. It is so adorable. You can also watch this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!